Top Gun Options. You have to watch this video here and the story behind it. It's pretty funny. At the 30-second point in this video, there's some painting on one of our jets. It says, "Go Navy, beat Army." Well, our skipper got a call from an admiral after he saw this video and got a good ass chewing until our skipper said, "Hey, sir, that's Photoshop. We didn't paint the jet. We just kind of did that digitally." So it's funny. So Facebook.com/Top Gun Options. Watch the video, and at the 30-second point, you'll see what I'm talking about. But okay, real quick, we had a full day of live trading and training on Wednesday, and we had a great turnout. A lot of you attended. If you didn't get a chance to attend, but you want to watch the replays, head to afterburnertrading.com/replay. And I know Andrew Keene's topic, he went first, was a very, very popular topic. It was Bitcoin. You guys know my opinion on Bitcoin, man. It's a little tulip mania right now for me. And by the way, in case you didn't know, there's probably going to be thousands of cryptocurrencies, digital currencies. And yeah, I get it, Bitcoin's the first, but once there aren't a lot of barriers to entry into this, and Bitcoin can go from wherever it is today, I don't even know, 15,000 to zero in the blink of an eye. So be very, very careful there, folks. But watch all the presentations, and you should be good to go. All right, I got to brief you on some stuff going on that obviously we're not seeing in the liberal media. You ready for this? It seems like day by day, almost like the sexual harassment allegations we're seeing from Hollywood to Washington. Look at what's going on with independent counsel, right? Independent counsel. Just saying that makes my skin crawl. His right-hand man, Mueller's right-hand man, represented as an attorney Hillary Clinton's IT staffer who installed her illegal server. My face almost melted off when I saw this. Go see if you'll see this on MSNBC or CNN. You got that right, folks. The independent counsel's right-hand man in this whole investigation into Trump, it is a Clinton cabal. Look at this. There's a top DOJ official. He was just demoted. Why? Because now conservatives and Fox News and other smart people are starting to dig into Mueller and his team. A DOJ official was demoted because this guy worked with that Fusion GPS to push that fake dossier on Trump. That disgusting fake dossier on Trump was the basis for what? A bunch of FISA warrants to spy on Americans. Folks, if you don't want to grab your effing torch right now and your pitchfork and head with me to Washington, you're not an American. This makes me want to vomit. Hey, an Obama-appointed judge has mysteriously, out of the blue, recused himself from the Mike Flynn case. You know why? Because this piece of shit approved a FISA warrant to go spy on his fellow Americans. Folks, this is stinking to high heaven. Thank God for Donald Trump. I don't care what you think about the man. I got my own issues with the man. He has finally pulled back the drapes on the swamp, and it stinks. Your run-of-the-mill FBI agent, your run-of-the-mill, they're all great people. At the heads of these things, these bureaucracies that live in northwestern Virginia, that see it as a jobs protection program, I'm furious, folks. And I guarantee you're not seeing this. You're getting your news from me. The swamp stinks. I got to be honest with you, folks. All of this stuff, Mueller and these folks, they are very dangerously on the close edge of sedition. They are trying to do a silent, well, it ain't silent anymore, overthrow of your elected president. I don't care how you feel about this. If there was a Democrat in power and Republicans were doing this type of crap in the government, I'd be furious. This is why I'm a libertarian. All right, I got to get my blood pressure down. That should make you pissed, folks. And at your cocktail parties tonight or over the weekend, or as you're watching Army-Navy game tomorrow when I streak across the field at halftime, you have got to be bringing this up to your friends and family and get the word out. It stinks. This whole Russian collusion doesn't exist. It's a fishing expedition, and Hillary Clinton needs to be in jail. And all these people need to go to jail. They're disgusting, and they're not American. Other than that, Mrs. Lincoln, how's the play? Holy jobs numbers, Batman. Donald Trump, since his inauguration, 2.2 million new jobs have been made. The non-farm payroll number was a blowout number. We were looking for 198. We got 228, folks. That was a blowout number. What's Wiz really care about? This one, folks. This was a little bit of a miss. The average hourly earnings, we were looking for at least a a heartbeat. We got a little less than a heartbeat, and the previous months was revised down. We got to work on that, folks. We might be creating jobs. They ain't the jobs that are making money here. So I still, jobs, this is a good headline. That's the Wall Street Journal is. Jobs strong, but weak wage growth could fluster the Fed. What's that mean? This is a Goldilocks jobs report. Great numbers. Wage growth is stagnant. I still think they're going to raise interest rates here in a couple weeks. But look at this, folks. You can't say what you will, man. We're looking good. And now that Trump's getting ready to put the tax reform plan to bed, he's already moving on to what? Infrastructure spending, folks. Rebuilding the infrastructure of this economy. And say what you will about the man. I love the day of rage today. Holy crap. From presidents from Truman to today have promised or said that Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Guess what? This dude campaigned on it, and the world's going apeshit that this guy is actually doing the things that he campaigned on. Go figure. But so the day of rage is kind of comical. Bill Clinton, even Barack Hussein Obama said that Jerusalem is the capital. Trump's actually following through with it with action. Gotta love the man. Well, you gotta respect somebody who says, hey, I'm going to do this, and then they do that. That's what freaks me the hell out about North Korea and Iran. They're actually looking at us in the face and going, yeah, we got nuclear weapons, and we want to kill as many of you as we can. Why don't we treat cream of some young guy like Donald Trump, like a guy who's going to do what he says? And if we do feel that way, that dude needs to go. Again, the other day I laughed at this headline. There are no good reasons to buy stocks. And then, actually, here's why stocks can keep going up, folks. This is a nice rip-your-face-off rally. We had a couple awesome trades this week. My weekly options members made $1,200 in 4 days. We put on a bear call spread on Monday. I said, folks, vol's going to implode by Friday, and it did. So hopefully I'm getting a virtual hell yeah from all my members who made $1,200 today. And then the bearish double vertical that I put on 2 weeks ago expired to make $2,400 today. So 2 weeks in a row, 2 great trades on volatility. Man, so there's nearly a $4,000 gain on 2 volatility trades in 2 weeks. Welcome aboard. And we also put on an Amazon bull put spread that's starting to look pretty good as well. So things are going great, guys. Good stuff here at TGO. Good stuff in the markets. Obviously, the tech wreck was very, very short-lived. We saw a little bit of sector rotation out of financials back into Amazon. Here we are. There's Wednesday when I put on the bull put spread in Amazon, and that trade's already profitable. Watch the replay and see what we're doing here at TGO. Man, I'm having a blast, guys. I'm very passionate about what I do here at TGO. We're heading higher, and just good things are going on. Remember, if you're not currently a member and you want to take a 2-week test flight and kick the tires, I'm not big on tire kickers, folks. You're not half pregnant. You're either in or you're out. You're either full throttle into something or not, or you're doing it half-assed. And that's how I feel. But apparently, some people like to kick the tires. So head to topgunoptions.com. You can take a 2-week test flight into our accelerated retirement live trading sessions, our intermediate, which is our primary live trade brief, or our weekly options live trade brief, like I said, on Monday. Bear call spread on the VXX, and that was $1,200 in everybody's pocket for this weekend. So head to our homepage, and you can grab a test flight right there. All right, folks, I got to run. Going to have a great day tomorrow at Army Navy. Make sure you go to our Facebook page and check out that video. It's pretty comical. That's how stupid admirals can be sometimes. He didn't even know what Photoshop was. And do me a favor and share that video. Share that with your friends and family because it's one of the best Go Navy, Beat Army videos that was ever produced. And we did that in my squadron out of Naval Air Station Fort Worth, the Hunters of Strike Fighter Squadron 201. All right, folks, have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll see you for Monday's Market Outlook.